We at America Air Duct Cleaning Services provide dependable and quality service to our customers. We provide commercial and residential services at competitive prices. We combine conventional cleaning with state-of-the-art technology to perform the most comprehensive duct cleaning services. We are a 5-star rated company and each client is important to us. Call 210-777-0616 to speak with a specialist. Air duct cleaning redefines home health, eliminating your ductwork's dirt, dust, and microbial growth can improve indoor air quality while maintaining a cleaner home and increasing HVAC efficiency. Clean ducts mean less dirt in your home and air because ductwork is often the source and pathway for dust and biological contaminants. The same dust, hair, and dirt you vacuum from your floors and upholstery build up. This debris filters into your ducts and gets recirculated through your house, leading to problems ranging from allergy symptoms to high energy bills. Clogged air ducts can cause wear and tear on your system. Schedule a cleaning with us now. Improve the atmosphere and air quality in your home with our professional cleaning service. Call today, 210-777-0616 for more info. Fast and efficient crew, trained specialist, award-winning quality.